Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this in this code I'll be explaining you how I created an application, a mini application that has more than seven screens using stack screen and bottom tab navigator. So first let me explain my app.js main code. In this code, I have the main screen, home screen, which I have put in stack.screen screen one. Screen one. In this screen, I am fetching code from this API. When I am done fetching the code from this API, I am basically rendering it using flatlist. I am rendering item.email, item.username, and then what I am doing is actually sending the data to the next screen, which is screen 2. I am sending two data, the whole JSON data of the API I captured and the ID that I captured from the JSON. Now let's go to screen 2. Now I am receiving here the data that I have sent in the previous screen using route. In this route I have captured the route.params through route.params.id and I stored that value in IID. Now I have captured all data from the data variable right here and received it in this variable. Now I have created another variable and put filter over it that if the ID that I have captured is not equivalent to the ID coming from JSON data, then only show the data that is matching, only show the ID that are matching to the item ID. Now what I am going to do through this ID or data is I'm going to pass the data into the user detail screen. Now let me go to the user detail screen. In this user detail screen, I'm showing the user data of only the specific user I have clicked on, the only specific email I have or username I have clicked on of the user, and send that item ID right to the third screen. See how that feasible is. Now I am receiving here all data, which I am been sending here through this JSON. Data is put into the variable all data. Now I am receiving that data, all data in this screen user detail. Now what I am doing through this data is I am just going to render the company name, company BS and catchphrase, and render the user address. That's all what I am going to do. Now let's get back to the screen. Now I am going to the third screen. Now I am going to the third screen, that is album data, album tab. Going to the album tab screen. Now in this album tab screen, I am going to send the same ID that I have received from this API. I have used the ID that I have sent from screen 1 into screen 2, and now from screen 2 to third screen album tab. Now I'm using that ID to make a dynamic API. Now I'm rendering this specific user's data and title, album title, and now I'm sending the ID, that's user's ID, to the next screen, which is photo tab. In here I'm rendering the photo and I'm using the URI that I'm fetching from this API and rendering it here. Now let me go to the third screen, post tabs. I am doing the same thing here. I am fetching the data, I am making a dynamic API here, and I am only showing the needed data here. Body, I am showing the item.body here and item.title here, and I am sending the ID to this specific tab, the post detail. Now going to the post detail. In this post detail, I am going to render the comment of that specific user. Now I am going to do the to-do tab. From where do I go to the to-do tab? I go from the same pattern I'm going to follow. I'm going to the to-do tab using tab screen, to-dos, and using the same ID that I got from the previous screen. And I'm just doing here is rendering the title of that specific user in to-do app, and that's all. So that is how simple it is to fetch data from this API and render it according to your needs. Thank you.